everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a small haul here from SweetCheeky Designs, and I will try to remember to post the link below. If I forget, please let me know and I will be happy to do that. But it is on Etsy and you should be able to find her there as long as she is still selling at the moment. Sometimes it seems funny that I'll post something and I don't know that the shop goes on vacation or whatever, and you guys can't find them, and that's why. So let's see, I bought a few things. Oh, I'm so excited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different things, and yeah, it's pretty cute. And then she even gives you a discount code. So I'll tell you how much everything is as we go. Oh, there's a nice little piece of cardboard to help make sure it stays nice and straight. I like her SweetCheeky Designs sticker on the bag. That's really cute. And she sent me, it looks like, lots of samples, which is fun. This is my first order with her. So here's a little shopping bag. Those are cute little kawaii shopping bags. Oh my goodness, and little kitty cats. Oh, of course I love those. And some bears. And some of the little dog he's crafting. That's perfect. I love that. I don't think I saw that one. And here is her sampler pack. Super cute. I like that a lot. Okay, so you know I couldn't do a haul right now without showing some sort of yarn, but this is really cute. This little guy is crocheting or knitting or whatever you want him to be doing, and I thought he was adorable, so I could put him down when I'm making a project, which honestly I would be putting one down every day, so maybe I'll just list one on the side and put something that I'm working on or something like that. I don't know. But then she also had these really cute full box, what are these called? Kits. Woo. And her kits are pretty inexpensive. This was $6.75. And I know that it's made for Christmas. Actually, this one even says Merry Christmas. But I thought that I could use it for the winter if I didn't use the Merry Christmas stickers like that one. Just wintry, because it's so cute. It's just a winter fox. I think he's really cute. And I like the colors. They're subtle red and green. It's very cute. And then here's another kit that I thought was adorable. And this is also $6.75. So her kits are $6.75. Her sheets are $1.75. So pretty reasonably priced. And these are just too cute. And again, I love the colors together. And her full check boxes. So those are really cute. I don't know if you get as many stickers as you might. I don't know. I'll have to play with it and see. So I don't want to comment otherwise, because you get several. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets. I think a lot of kits come with 5. So maybe there are a few less stickers, but it's a few less dollars too. And depending on where you're getting your kits, I mean, $6.75 for a kit is really good. Some kits are $18. So here's this one, adorable with the cute fox again. This one's kind of springy with, again, I don't know, I was just drawn to the pastel colors in all of these. So cute. So that's that kit. And I like that it has all these decorative stickers because I can use that in my fitness planner or my journal or whatever. And this one is just too stinking cute. I had to get this one, even though this seems more like fall to me. I don't know, I might use it anyway because it is so cute. Those little faces on those little guys, can you see that? Is that picking it up? I hope it is. It is so cute. And then again, the colors are just fabulous. There's a weekend sticker. I didn't notice weekend stickers on the other one. I might go back and check. Let's see. And their functional stickers are really cute too. Yep, there's a weekend sticker. There's a weekend sticker. I just didn't notice them, but they're there. Yep. So cute. And not that I even necessarily need them. I have other fitness weekend stickers. But look, there's like a washi and a laundry and a trash and a dust and clean and nails and mail. So those are cute. And it looks like those are consistent on every kit. So again, this is SweetCheeky Designs. And I, at this moment, highly recommend her. I mean, her price is right and her stickers are super cute. So thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.